skincare tips for men, how to get rid of oily skin, acne, and pimples. I don't know many men who are consciously worried about their skin, but I do know that earlier their mothers worried for them more for their hair than skin, and now their girlfriends or wives. Most men don't realize, and I do wish they did, that they need to look after themselves and groom well too. It's not just women's thing to do. I am appalled when I see men not worried about acne on their face or having oily skin. It's worse if they suffer from bad body odor or dandruff and yet do very less to address the issue at hand. Oily skin is a common problem which is faced by millions of men all across the globe. I see them wanting answers, but not finding enough. So for those of you who suffer from this problem, here are some great oil-free recipes to get clean skin, reduce oiliness and pimples if you have them, and even look after pimple scars. Be assured that there's always a solution for most problems. Here are some wonderful natural solutions. All you have to do is follow them diligently. 1. To reduce excess oil. Ingredients: 200 milliliters of rose water, 2 teaspoons of powdered camphor method. Mix well and store in an airtight bottle and keep in the fridge. This can be used to wipe the skin 3 to 4 times a day. Not only does it reduce oiliness and bacterial buildup on the skin, it also helps reduce chances of skin infections, itchiness and tones the skin, making the skin less prone to pimples. 2. Acne pack for men. For those young men who have an irritating habit of pinching and squeezing pimples, keep your fingers away and make the following mask instead. Ingredients: 4 tablespoons of Fuller's Earth, a half teaspoon camphor, 2 teaspoons of mint paste, 2 cloves, ground, rose water to mix, 1 teaspoon of sandalwood powder. Method: mix all the ingredients to a smooth consistency and apply the required amount onto the skin. Let it dry completely and wash off with water and pat dry. This pack should be used daily and can be kept in an airtight jar in the fridge up to 10 days. 3. Exfoliator for oily skin to dislodge blackheads and whiteheads. Many of us don't clean our skin properly, and as a result, we give way to blackheads and whiteheads. This leads to acne and pimples and can be an absolute disaster for all you good-looking men who dream of clean and clear skin. The key point is to keep your skin clean, and I know not all of you want to smell of roses and sandalwood, so here's fabulous scrub for clarifying the skin. Ingredients: 4 tablespoons of orange peel powder, 4 tablespoons of lemon peel powder, 50-gram china clay, a handful of dried neem leaf powder, 5 tablespoons of rice powder. Method: mix all the dry ingredients and store in a jar. Take a teaspoon at a time and mix with mint water and apply all over the skin. When it is semi-dry, dab with water and scrub. This will help dislodge blackheads and whiteheads and make your skin super clean and oil-free. 4. Basic skincare rules to follow. Above all, basic rules to a clean and good-looking skin are as follows. Water. Have 10 to 12 glasses of water daily, it's a must. Reduce alcohol intake. If you thought beer is cooling, it's only so for the mouth. Watch your diet. Eating fresh salads and fruits should be on the top of your list. Cool drinks like Bale, Chach, lime water and coconut water should be part of your daily intake. Avoid heavy gravy and fried foods, as well as aerated drinks and soda. Clothing. Wear loose natural fibers like cotton, mull, jute, etc. These are the best summer clothing as they are airy and light. Exercise. If you are prone to oily skin, increase your blood circulation and detox by exercising. Do remember to shower at least twice a day. Metabolism. Many of you may not know this, but skin and acne are directly related to the stomach. If you suffer from a sluggish metabolism and have constipation, then you will most probably suffer from acne and pimples. Eat green vegetables and lots of fruits to clear out your system. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends and family. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.